What's lurking on your toothbrush might actually shock you. If you're brushing your teeth with a dirty toothbrush, you're not cleaning your mouth. You're just putting germs right back in. So how do you really clean it? Try these fast fixes. Hydrogen peroxide soak for 10 minutes. Antibacterial mouthwash. 5 minutes does the trick. Dip in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Vinegar and water. Let it chill for 15 to 30 minutes. Or a quick baking soda scrub. It's a natural neutralizer. But wait, there's more. Pop that brush on the top rack of your dishwasher. Use a UV sanitizer. Zaps 99% of germs. Microwave safe brushes only. 60 seconds and done. Or a rubbing alcohol soap for 5 minutes. And remember, always air dry your brush upright. Most important, replace your toothbrush every 3 months or anytime you get sick. Follow at the lowdown for more health hacks and hygiene tips. #toothbrush hacks, #disinfect tips, #the lowdown clean.